Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be stuffing more than $30. I'm so excited. I wasn't going to stuff the challenges this week because I wasn't able to. And so I pushed myself just a little bit more and was able to actually get some more money. So I know that we needed like $50, I think, whatever, to complete the challenges. So I got as much as I possibly could. I don't think I hit that amount. Um like I said, I was just whenever I had some extra change or something, I would actually take it out and put it in this little envelope to make sure I had the money for here. And that was basically what the idea of everything really was, right? So I am trying to make sure that I get these completed. And I'm so close to finishing them. I was hoping and fingers crossed I was going to be able to do it today, but I kid you not, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. But if y'all are new here, my name is Cassie J. I'm on a debt free journey. I'm trying to be debt free within 4 months. I'm trying by September of 2026. So I have a little bit of time and I'm trying to stuff as much as I possibly can or digitally send debt payments to make sure that I'm on track. So I've been doing weekly check-ins, doing my expenses and going over things and stuff, whatever, so I can see where my money is actually going. And y'all, it is an eye opener. It is an eye opener. Like, so I am trying to like stay at the house, and if I'm doing Uber, I'm trying to make sure I'm making something from the house, whatever, and not purchasing anything while I'm out. But that is my goal. So with that being said, if y'all want OGs, thank you so much for coming back. But let's go ahead and start stuff.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand.
All right, so we do have to break down the 10. Let's count it first: 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45? Oh, if we only need $5, bro. If we only need $5, oh my gosh, you have no idea. I'm about to flip shit. All right, so five. Wait, and then oh wait, let's do that because I was not meant. Oh, I'm glad we didn't do no damn breakdown because the way this is set up, these things are taking all my damn coins. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's get a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Oh, we still have one more 5 we need to swap out. No, we don't. These numbers is high today. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. I think this one's done. How many do we need on this one? Y'all, how many do we need on that one? Don't do that. Oh my, oh, shit, boy. Okay, we only have $2 left. And whatever's over is coming here. Just like that. And just like that. Oh God, this is so exciting. Okay, so we're about to be done. About to be done. Okay, you got all the 5s, girl. You got all the 5s. Oh. So I am trying to save this money. I have $100 from the last challenge. It's in the bank, going towards the North Carolina trip. And then the money that I have for these two are actually going to the North Carolina trip as well. So let's go ahead and count. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And this one needed 3, 7, 10, 14. Good. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look, we had some in the front. 4. Oh, we need 10. Awesome. Okay, that's cool. Wait, this is not the one, Cassandra. Why are you getting so damn excited? Yo, you're fucking up. Wait, that's the wrong one. I mean, there is money in the front of this one, but girl, yo. 1, 2, 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm putting those over there because that's where it's going. All right, and then let's see how much this one actually saved. That's what I was more curious to know, like how much to save, because it was a mystery. So tell me. All right, so I'm gonna do it first here. And since I marked it out, I'm like, I can't even see the numbers. All right, so we have 5, 14, 7, 6, 9, 8, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 10, 5, 4, 8, 9, 5, 10, 15, 3, 1, 4. So we should have all of them marked out. 135. Oh, that's a good amount. So we have 135 plus the other 100. What? Okay, let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wait, let's count the ones because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So 95 plus 40, 135. Yes, this is so cool. Okay. All right, so we finished 2 challenges. Okay, I did not think this was gonna happen. Honestly, I really wasn't. I did not think this was gonna happen. All right, I had like every time I thought about it, and I was like, oh, I need to save some money for this one. I immediately was like, I'm not gonna be able to save it. I'm not gonna have it. Being very pessimistic around these parts. All right, so we have folded up money. We need to add to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 20, 32 is what's coming in here. So we have 10, 20, 32. Oh wait. 33, 34, 34. Damn. We had a 5, so we need 5, 11 left. Yeah. I done figured out a way to fuck up. Figured out a way. It's only what's supposed to be 132. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's what I was doing first. I'm just stuffing this money in here. I don't care which way. $10, $20, $30, $40. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. If you only have 12 left on here. And it looks like we have 11. That's still better than nothing. I'm not even complaining. Only $11 is left. So because we already finished this one, and I only need, dang, I'm so close to being completed with this damn challenge. Dang, okay, let's see. Maybe I can. I'm trying to think. I need to get my other challenges first done. Then I could come in with $12 and finish out the challenge. But right now, I finished 2 out of the 3. One of them, I think I'm gonna have to bring it to the next month because I really want to complete it. It's the principle behind it. Wanting to complete it is what I really want to do because I basically already have my spending money for June. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it. All right, guys. I actually was like, you know what? It's only $12. I can make $12 doing one Uber ride, and I made $30 doing one Uber ride, and so I have the $12 that I needed to finish the challenge. And I was like, I was so serious. Like I was like so serious. I was like, I do not. I was like, I'm so close. I cannot believe I'm so close. So let's go ahead and count to make sure everything's here, and then I'm going to count this to make sure everything's there, and then I'm going to go take everything to the bank because I only have $100 in the bank, and it hasn't been there long enough for it to get any like any interest on it, so it's just that 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. What? Wait, what? uh 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. $1 here. Waiting. You better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Oh, y'all, I had another one waiting. I have 3 ones over here because I took 15 out. So, you know what? I need 10 and 5 ones because I'm about to get this fucking money to finish this damn challenge. Y'all, I ain't playing. Oh. I was so serious about this damn challenge. That is so funny. Okay. I was like, I don't want to do this next week. I want to be able to work on creating the cupcake one. Like I have cupcakes everywhere in my mind right now, and that's what I want. All right. So did I get all of them out? 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I didn't even put these together, but 135 and 132. One is two, what? So 267 plus 100. I got 367. That was way more than what I wanted, guys. Oh, I'm so good about to eat all these foods. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I should do a vlog of the foods that I'm going to be eating because I don't even care. I don't even care, y'all. Like, I'm about to get all the snacks. I'm about to be a fat person. I'm going to ask him if I could stay a night for one more night. Like, I am looking forward to being fat at this place. I don't even know what food I'm going to be getting. But y'all, I done met my mark, okay? I done met my mark. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. I'm so excited. I can't wait to tell him. He was like, I don't know. He was like, I don't know. Because I was discouraging too. I was kind of like, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it. I don't have the money. I'm not going to be able to make finish my savings challenges. And here I am. 367. Wah, 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 wah. So exciting. Okay. Thank y'all so much for being here. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.